This is Cordyline Pink Joy, and it's not the common cordyline everyone is used to. It's tighter, it's compact, the leaf shape is more compact in that it looks more attractive with shorter leaves and shorter internodes, which means there's far more leaves over a particular distance. The fresh new leaves have a wonderful pink edge to them and a bit of a color undertone as well, pinky purple. New growth has a very distinctive pinky blush. It really is a pink joy to have in your garden. The interesting thing with this plant also, it has a wonderful bushy clumping habit, which you can see in this plant. This means that if you do cut the top, you get a bushier plant rather than a single stem with just two branches on it. For this reason, some landscapers have used it as a hedging border plant and trim it just like a hedge. It looks a little bit unusual, but it works really, really well. This plant, because of its tight habit, is perfect for pot culture, so growing it in a pot near your front entrance, at your courtyard or in the backyard, gives this plant another wonderful landscape purpose in your garden. In the landscape industry, it's relatively readily available, so it's very easy for landscapers to source it, for home gardeners to track it down as well from your local garden centre. The name again is Cordyline Pink Joy, and it truly is a beautiful growing plant. And unlike the others that grow really tall and might get attacked more by grasshoppers, this is more of a relaxed plant that sits in the background, but the princess, the feature of this plant, is this beautiful pink blush that comes through on the edges of the plant. So look for it in your local garden centre. Cordyline Pink Joy, you will be very happy with this purchase. This is Paul Plant Horticulture. Hope you've enjoyed this short video. Cheers for now.